Hello and welcome to Cambridge Motors, established in 1959 here at the same address in Plumstead, London. Here we have for sale a petrol automatic BMW Gran 2 Series. So it's the Gran 2 Series, meaning it's got the extra seats. It's the 7-seat version. It's only had one owner from new, with full BMW service history and very low mileage. This one is absolutely stacked with extras. Panoramic opening roof being probably the main one. It's also the luxury model, so it comes with full leather. This one's got the front parking sensors, side parking sensors because it has park assist, diamond cut alloy wheels. As I say, it has full leather seats. This is mocha leather with sort of a light brown white stitching. It's got an interior lighting pack, so it lights up around here. You can change the colour if you wanted to. This one has electric seats, electric memory seats on the driver's side. Another extra is the courtesy glass, sun protection glazing, so the rear glass is a bit more tinted than the front. Finished in a nice white metallic. Has two USB ports there. Also has the air conditioning and heating that you can blow into the rear here as well. These seats slide forward or backwards, so you have to adjust these to where you want when you're using it as a 7-seat. Has a power tailgate. There we go. These seats just flip up there. Don't look like they've even been used, these rear seats. Are really good condition, and so you can use it as a 6-seater, or you can pull this up and use it as a 7-seat. There's also a partial shelf there as well, so if you want to put these down and then use it as a 5-seat, you can. You can also put that centre row down, so you can put them all flat. It's like a van size then in the rear. There's your panoramic roof, electric tailgate. Inside doesn't look like it's been smoked in or any pets. It's in really good condition. It's got the wood grain effect on the door cards. There's your memory seats, and so you can press it to set 1 or 2, so when you come back in the car and someone's moved the seat, you can press it to your desired number and it will move back to where you liked it. Auto lights, 4 electric windows, heated power folding mirrors, another extra. It's push button start. There's your opening roof. Also got the book pack in there. There you go, it opens all the way. There is a blind as well that you can close off, so if there's too much sun coming in, you can close the blind there, but this is sun protected, so you probably don't need to do that. Comes with SOS emergency calling. Hopefully it's not needed, but it's there just in case. This one has another extra, which is heated seats there. 3, 2 and 1 settings that you have. Has dual climate air conditioning, so the temperature left to right can be different to each other. Comes with collision prevention, and it also comes with the BMW driving mode, so you can go between eco, comfort and sports mode, whichever you prefer. Another great extra is a heated steering wheel, so there's a button here to press and it heats the steering wheel as it says on there. Cruise control and speed limitation on this one as well, with a voice command system. When you select reverse, it comes up with a nice clear camera, which is another great extra. And as I say, it's got parking sensors all round with a self-park system. You can play your music via Bluetooth as well to the centre screen if you wanted. This is all touch screen, it's quite neat. But if there's any questions or anything you'd like to know, please don't ever hesitate to either email or call. Many thanks.